We're showing off today our Regal Rexnord collaborative 7th axis. So we don't make the robot you buy, but we make the robot you buy better. So you talk about a 6-axis robot, this linear track, external rail, this 7th axis can move that robot back and forth up to 10 meters. The really exciting part is that just like the cobots, we have collision detection on our 7th axis. So if you put your hand in it, there's an object in the way, it is going to do a stop. But most importantly, besides the collision detection, what we really give integrators, machine builders, distributors is a full 7th axis package. So if you look at the motor, the drive, the gearing, the linear actuators themselves, and then all the other parts you need like the cable track, the limit switches, we put that together in a single part number and save you time on design, engineering, integration into your overall machine. So what we're demonstrating behind is actually a robotic welding application. So if you need to take that robot and have multiple welding stations or weld a longer part, you can see an example of right here. We also see these used in machine tending, test and inspection for long parts, educational cells, and in any general factory application where you have multiple stations for your robot. So at Regal Rexnord, we manufacture the linear actuators, the motor, the drive, the gearing, and the couplings that make up this system. But then we put that all together into a 7th axis package where we add all the things that you tell us your robot and the stroke you need to go, and we have the full package. And part of that is actually even the software integration. So we actually, we have partnered with the major robot brands, UR, ABB, Fanuc, where we have integrations right on their teach pendants. And for all the other robot brands, we can definitely work with them. We have some custom software we've developed at Regal Rexnord that can help make that integration really easy.